With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question here says select the incorrect statement with respect to humans. So the first statement is that starch and fat reach stomach totally undigested from the oral cavity. So while we take in food by the process of ingestion and then food is masticated in the oral cavity, it breaks it down by the mechanical churning with the help of teeth. Now there are salivary glands which are present in the oral that is the extra oral glands, which will now pour the salivary secretions, which is saliva, into the oral cavity. While this saliva has got many other components, but along with this has an important enzyme which is called as salivary amylase, and this enzyme is a carbohydrate. So when starch is taken in the diet, approximately 30% of the starch will be digested during the chewing process, and it is broken down into maltose and limit dextrins by this enzyme salivary amylase, which is secreted in the saliva, while rest of the 70% will be digested by the pancreatic amylase. So here it says that starch is totally undigested from the oral cavity and it is going to reach the stomach. Fat is going to reach the stomach totally undigested because there is nothing called as salivary lipase, because there is no activity of fat unless the bile acts on it. So this statement here is the false or the incorrect statement, and this becomes a right answer also for this question. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Then the second one is that dentition is heterodont, diphyodont and thecodont. Heterodont means different types of teeth. Diphyodont means 2 sets of teeth, whereas thecodont means that the teeth are present in the sockets of the jawbone. So this is a true statement. The third statement is muscularis externa mainly consists of outer longitudinal and inner circular muscle. While we see the transverse section of the gut or the histology of the alimentary canal, the outermost layer is the serosa, which is called as the visceral peritoneum. Below this is the and this muscularis externa has got a layer which is on the outer side longitudinal muscles and on the inner side circular muscles, and there is also a layer of oblique muscles present, which is present mostly in the stomach region. So here this statement is also true. The fourth one says that the intestinal glands are present mostly in the mucosal layer except the Brunner's gland. Now Brunner's glands are the only glands which are submucosal in nature, whereas intestinal glands and Brunner's glands are also crypts of Leberkuchen which are present in the mucosa, whereas the Brunner's glands, which are also the intestinal glands, are present in the submucosal layer, and these two glands are together going to secrete the intestinal juice, which is going to act on the food, the partially digested food which enters into the duodenum, right? So this is also a true statement. So the only right option here is option number 1. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.